Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect to the bike and go into the dashboard mode. So this is Android 9 device. When you are opening the app, you will get the remote mode, which shows you the location of your bike, shows you how much speed you have currently, if someone's riding it, what's the state of charge, what's the range. Currently the bike is in standby, so it's near my location and I'm trying to connect to it. So first you tap on the ride mode. When you first open the application, you will get these quick tips that show you some information about how to connect, what's all the icons for, so you can disregard this. It prompts you to enable the Wi-Fi on the device, and it goes through to connect. It's now trying to connect to the bike over the Wi-Fi, and now you are connected. The application is now in the dashboard mode. You have the options to use the navigation. Just long tap on the screen, start navigation, stuff like that. You can go to some of the other features, ride session, when you have all the cyclocomp data, the telemetry from the bike, use the camera and such. Thanks.